Alright guys, today I want to introduce you our air purifier. Unfortunately my wife is sick, so I have to take care of the video and I will walk you through the amazing product we have. So what you can see is we have the HATHASPACE air purifier, 4-in-1 air purifier. It is a smart air purifier and it comes with a H11 HEPA filter that captures up to 99% of particles. Right now, very important for me. I'm allergic, so especially against the pollen season that is coming up right now. So I have to suffer every year from the pollen. This thing was the best investment we ever made because it filters so much air in our bedroom. So even I could sleep better during the night. What I really like at this air purifier is it comes with a very, very quiet mode. As you can see, and here, it's almost silent. And that's the sleep mode that we are currently looking for. And it's pretty amazing because during the night, you also can turn off the display, as you can see on sleep. And that thing comes also then with a remote. And you can also turn off the light that you don't see it anymore. And it's not blinking or whatever and distracts your sleep. That is pretty amazing. What I personally like is on that thing, besides the all features that you definitely can read in Amazon, it comes with a filter. And here's the thing. I just replaced that filter 4 weeks ago. What you can see, it's pretty amazing. So we have a pet at home. That is the next big advantage of this thing, because even the cat and her pollen and dust that she has in her is definitely filtered out of it. The good thing is you just turn these little wings and then you can definitely replace the filters. The filters are sold separate by Amazon. They are not included in the air purifier. Honestly, I don't regret that we bought it because that is the best thing ever. Yes, guys, bear with me. I have to clean it, but as you can see, it does its job. Here's the remote that comes with the air purifier. Easily turn it on and off. As soon as you turn it back on, it pumps a little bit up to speed. It runs an auto mode, as you can see. The auto mode is pretty convenient because the auto mode is also checking the air quality in your room. So in the beginning, it bumps it up that you really have the best air quality in your room. And then you can turn it back down and maybe turn on also the anion filter, which is pretty good. All in one. Thanks for watching the video and enjoy the product.